Hi, the final project is to build a spam filter for text messages. So I got a database of 5,000 text messages. Each one was labeled spam or non-spam. So the idea is to use a machine learning algorithm to let machine tell what text should be spam and what is not. Um, so the algorithm I use here is called random forest. It is a machine learning algorithm that is built on another algorithm called decision tree. So decision tree is the tree structure, data structure. You just go from root to leaf, and for each node it has a feature. If you have the feature, go one branch. If you don't have it, you go to the other branch. And then if you have feature C, you go to one branch. If you don't have it, you go to the other branch. So it's very easy, and once you reach the leaf, and this is your outcome. In our case, it is the prediction. um, so random forest is a bunch of these trees. It's built by a number of this. So one predicting or just average the prediction of each tree and then give you a final prediction. So here is the interface of the classifier built. So it has four functions. So first one, you give it a text message or give you a prediction. Second one is for training. You can just type train and start training on the dataset. I just pointed out. And then benchmarking, the same, is just as training, but it will give you statistics indicating how good it is. And then test is just run test functions on all the modules I built. And then there's other parameters optional parameters you can include. /n means how many number of tree you want to include in the random forest, and /r means the percentage of data you want to fit in each tree. Um, so, for example, we want to do training. Just say I want to train on 20 trees, and the ratio will be 0.5, and then train. I'll start. Sorry. And then I'll start training. So it took some time, so I'll just cancel right now. And for benchmarking, here is a example outcome with the benchmarking. It'll give you true positive rate, true negative rate, precision, negative predictive power, and deviation. So with this, you can play with all the parameters. For example, using 60 trees and 0.8 ratio, I get the best true positive rate so far. But I believe I can get better ones if I just keep searching. Um, so let's test the main function of this classifier. Before that, let's look at one of the core features of it. So after training, I'll produce a file called matrix.txt. So this file, if you look at it, it's a list of the trees that um, like the training produce. So that is all the it need to do predictions. That is all it need to do predictions. So with this, you can just start predictions. For example, I just put in hi grad, how are you? And then I'll give you a prediction of 0, means the probability of it being a spam is 0, meaning it is not a spam. So if I try a spam messages, what we usually receive, you won $2,000, call to claim. Okay, so this one I give you probability of being spam messages to be 1.0. So meaning it is 100% to be spam messages. So that's all. This is my final project. Thank you for watching.